In Planfix, projects are folders that bring tasks together around a common purpose, timeline, or team. For example, a project can represent an advertising campaign, a construction job, or any work that is being performed for a specific client. To create a project, open the Project section and click New Project. In the project card, enter the project name and description and choose the most suitable task view. In the Roles in Project tab, you can assign employees or clients as assignees, counterparties, and other roles. Under Details, specify the project location and configure the default settings. If you need additional organization within a project, you can also create subprojects. A subproject card looks and is configured just like a regular project. Within the Project section, subprojects are displayed as part of the parent project. While inside a project, you can create tasks manually using either the Input field or the Create button. You can also create them in bulk by importing data. Here, you can display additional task information in the table and edit it either individually or in bulk. Each project includes a full-featured task filter, where you can configure sorting, choose the list view, and filter tasks. In addition to these functions, each project includes dedicated tabs for viewing and editing project fields, working with documents, analyzing the event log, managing access permissions, running reports on key performance indicators, and configuring notifications. If you manage a large number of projects, you can organize them or display them in one of two ways. The first is by groups. Groups function as folders for organizing projects and can be created in the corresponding tab. The other option is to organize them by counterparty. In most cases, the project counterparty is the client or company for whom the project is being carried out. One particularly helpful function is the ability to perform bulk actions on projects, such as adding new assignees to multiple projects at once. Templates make it easier to manage recurring projects. To do this, create a new project template. First, fill in its fields, just as you would for a regular project. Now you can add individual task templates or entire template trees with a complex structure. This allows you to deploy a complete project for a new client in just a couple of clicks. With Planfix's in-depth functionality, each project becomes much more than a folder for tasks. It becomes a dynamic workspace where you can manage and control every stage of your business process.